our next step is going to be controlling the height of the elements. Basically, if user clicks on the second element, we have to change the height factor. So currently the height factor is 0.15, and if user clicks on the second element, the height factor should be, for example, 0.7, okay? And in that case, we will see that the card is expanding. In order to detect if user clicked on the card or not, we are just going to use gesture detector, and here we have the OnTap, and in this part we can control the height factor. Here we are using hard-coded values for the height factor, but if we use dynamic values, now we can control it. Here I will just say double height factor, and that is going to be 0.15 as a default, and I will take this and place it right over here. I'm not going to touch to this one because I actually want to make the last element hard-coded, which is gonna be 1, and if it is not last element, so use this height factor. And inside of OnTap, I'm just going to say height factor is going to be, for example, 0.7, okay? And we have to use set state because in order to update our screen, we have to use set state, and then our screen is gonna be updated. So let's restart the application and click on the second element. And as you can see, we get the effect. It is expanded. But the problem is there is no any animation on it. And that can be solved very easily by using AnimatedAlign widget. So that AnimatedAlign is going to give us the same behavior, but basically it is going to be animated. So here there is a required parameter which is duration, and the duration is going to be 500 milliseconds. And now let's try that. Also, let's decrease the height factor to 0.5. Okay, and let's click to this one. Okay, as you see, we have animation, and actually it is slow for me. Maybe we can change the curve for this animation. So it is linear as a default, but I'm just going to use curves.ease. Maybe fast ease into slow ease out. I think that's my favorite. So let's try again. If I click to the second element, as you see, behavior of the animation is changed. I want to make the bottom of the card more visible, so that's why I will increase the height factor a little bit, maybe 52, and let's try. Okay, now it looks better.